Compound interest. The time machine to financial freedom faster than you think. Imagine this. Money doesn't just make more money. It multiplies exponentially. If used wisely, even a small amount of capital can turn into a massive fortune. Here are the 5 things you need to know to unlock the secrets of compound interest. First, understand the nature of compound interest. It's not just a dry mathematical formula. Albert Einstein called it the 8th wonder of the world for a reason. It grows exponentially, not linearly. With time and patience, your money will multiply in unimaginable ways. Second, start now. The earlier, the better. Don't wait until you have a large sum to invest. Even a small amount, if placed correctly and left to grow, can make a huge difference. Look at Warren Buffett. He didn't win the lottery, he simply leveraged the power of compound interest for decades. Third, choose the right investment channel. Compound interest works best when you invest in high-yield assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate. But remember, high returns come with high risks. Not every investment shoots to the moon. Many will sink. Accepting risk and waiting patiently is the key. Fourth, patience and discipline. This is the deciding factor. Many people lose patience, panic sell when the market fluctuates, and miss out on wealth multiplication opportunities. Don't let emotions control you. Remember, taking profits quickly and holding losses stubbornly is not a sustainable wealth-building strategy. Fifth, avoid the enemies of compound interest. Transaction fees, taxes, inflation. If not managed properly, they will silently erode your profits exponentially. Optimize your costs to fully harness the power of compound interest. Final thoughts. Compound interest isn't magic. It's a fundamental financial principle. Understand it, start early, and stay consistent, and you can build a strong financial future. The best time to start? Right now.